It's a real pleasure to have each and every person here who has decided to be a part of our retreat. This is the fourth edition of this series at Fort Chanwa. We had one retreat prior to that in 2018. Um, just see if this is working fine. Okay. So this is the fourth. Usually the microphone likes me because I like to talk a lot. Um, but this is the fourth in the series of Ragatala retreat. And alongside all our new participants, I'd like to thank some of our older participants who've been here before. So we have Donato, we have Hema, we have Teja, who've joined us again. And you can ask any of them, they will vouch for what a wonderful 7 days you will have ahead of you. I'm Tina Bali, and you have also met Imran Khan. We are Creative Karma, and it is our pleasure, and this retreat is the thing we really love, getting people together who appreciate music, dance, art, aesthetics. And to be in such a beautiful place, Fort Chanwa is the ideal place for exploring such music and dance and getting yourself away from the day-to-day life that we live and exploring what we feel and think. So we really do hope that you enjoy the 7 days that we have ahead. And today is the first day of the concert series. So every evening we'll be gathering here and getting a chance to um, hear lots of different kinds of music, see different kind of dance. And if you've been following us on Facebook, all our different artists are featured on there for the concert series. So if you are on Facebook and you have not joined us, please, um, I would like you to go to Creative Karma's Facebook page. We also have a Ragatala Facebook page with all the updates. You'll be seeing images and videos of today's ceremony as well that we had earlier on. You will always also find us on Instagram, so please do follow us on Instagram. It's Creative Karma Official. Just type that in and please follow us and please do share so you get all the regular pictures, images and videos of everything that's going on here at Ragatala and all the other things that we do at Creative Karma. So without further ado, I'd just like to tell you a little bit about today's evening. So today, the first evening is our introductory concert. And in our introductory concert, what we like to do is introduce you to our mentors, our gurus, our teachers, those learned people, those exponents of music and dance who will be taking us on our journey over the next 7 days. And tonight we will see them perform. I will also like to introduce you to our yoga guru who will be here. So we have Ravi ji and Rachna ji who have been with us. This is their third time with us. I'd like to invite them here and they'll tell you a little bit about the sessions you'll have in the morning. So Ravi ji, Rachna ji, they're from Jodhpur and they travel up every day to be with us. So big round of applause for our yoga mentors, Ravi ji and Rachna ji.
Namaste. So many beautiful faces here. So she's my better half, Rachana. We welcome you to this beautiful city called Jodhpur or in India. And we wish you a very happy new year. Naya saal. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको. So today, I think this is the first day today, and you just arrived here. And just after finishing up very early, you got settled here for the start of this soulful program. So this is basically a festival. It has become a festival, I see, like a festival. The best quality of festival is it comes every certain after, it repeats itself after every year. So the same way Tina ji, Irfan bhai, Imran bhai, they have given us a new festival, Ragatala festival. I'll call it a festival. Huh? You get everything, like even the scrumptious food we get in this festival. So, thank you, thank you. Imran ji, Tina ji, and Irfan bhai. Sir. Yes, yes. So we would be presenting yoga and meditation in these 7 days of span, 7 days of period. And every morning you will be experiencing different kind of meditation and yoga programs. First of all, when you come to India and you hear about yoga, then the first thought comes into your mind what actually it is. What is yoga? So, in my opinion, as you all are music lovers and many of you are music gurus, music related people, so musicians are born yogis. A very important line which join all the yogis and musicians is the control over your breath. When you breathe in, when you breathe out, that is the important part of yoga. Anything you do in yoga, if you connect it with your breath, any posture you are moving into, if it is along with the breath, then only it is a yoga pose. Otherwise, it's just an exercise. In any gym, you can do an exercise. It is not yoga. It becomes yoga when you add your breath. The same way, without taking care of your breath, you cannot create good music. So musicians are born yogis. And when music and yoga, we brought it together, it creates harmony. Where in the practitioner's life, it creates harmony between your mind, harmony between your body, and harmony between your soul. Very nice. I got some answers. Huh? Wow. You are a yoga teacher. That's good. Yes. See, it is one-on-one session. If anything comes into your mind, express it. Okay. So harmony of your mind, body, and soul. This is what we both of we would like to bring it in the entire environment. Because when you do yoga, you make different postures. Many of the postures are based on tree, nature, animals, birds, creatures. Because generally yogi people are nature lover people. Maximum yoga poses are taken from the nature. So you are making very different postures from the body. The body is bending insanely sometimes. Your teacher Ruby, she's beautiful, but she's very tough trainer too. So sometimes you are in a very painful situation, but internally you enjoy. Have you ever observed this? When you are doing yoga poses, you are in yogic postures, you don't cry. Tears not coming from eyes because of sorrow. There can be tears, but they are because of joy. So this is the point. Music and yoga, they both can convert your sorrow, your pain into happiness. You see, this is a big bond, big combination. Because I'm going to tell you a very nice thing. You will laugh a lot with this. Because people around you in day-to-day life, even in my life, everyone's life, people around us, more of the time they give us pain. And when we receive pain from anyone, due to any reason, maybe your friend can give you some pain, maybe your father is giving pain to son is to father, or husbands to wife, or wives to husbands, or everybody around, because of their deeds, because of their words, anything. When we receive the pain, and that time, how we operate, how we tackle that pain, rather we complain because of the pain, or we enjoy the pain. We always complain the pain. This difference, what I am going to tell you is, when you are in a painful condition of a yoga pose, you are not complaining of the pain. You enjoy the pain because within yourself you know this is for your good. It is going to make you more stronger with this posture. So internally, day by day, after practice of this form, known as yoga worldwide, you start enjoying your pain, not only during the session of yoga, but in your day-to-day life. Got it? So after that, any activity in your life, it doesn't matter how pleasing the situation become. Maybe you got a very good news. You stay balanced. It doesn't matter how sorrowful the situation is. Maybe you heard something which you don't want to hear. Even in that condition, you remain balanced. Because once I asked from my guru, like, what is the balanced life? How to live a balanced life? Sometimes when I hear something good, I become very cheerful and I forgot everything else and I start enjoying like anything. And then after that, I go, oh, my credit card bill has gone so high because of this, those happy moments. You see, sometimes if you hear something which is not good and you become so depressed, so low. So how to cope up with all these ups and downs? So yoga is the key to overcome all those things. The example my guru gave me was of this beautiful musical instrument which Imran Bhai plays, Veena. So my guru said, sitar. See, because Imran ji is the master of sitar. And I only know sitar just by seeing it, that this is sitar. So, the tar, we call it tar in Hindi. So, they are wires, strings. So, the strings of sitar, if you lose them and then try to play them, does any kind of music will come from the sitar? Even anybody is playing, even the Imran Bhai is playing? No. And if I put so much pressure that the strings get very, very tight, absolutely tight, we cannot get good music. But we can get very nice, soulful music only if the strings are adjusted harmoniously in a well-balanced way. Then the music will come. This should be the rule we should follow in life. We should not tighten the life that much that the strings are about to break. And we should not leave them as loose that it cannot produce any good music. So these kind of many things we are going to experience every day. I will come up with some soulful stories, some motivational talks about the life, and some spiritual aspects of breathing, like in Indian traditional pranayama, yoga. There are so many ways of breathing. When we talk about breathe to people that one should learn to breathe, people laugh because since they were born, they are breathing. What is there to learn in a simple technique of breathe? But a simple breathe can create so many big differences in your day-to-day life. So when we learn those important topics of breathing, how to do pranayama, how to control your breath, how you can affect your thoughts according to your breath, how you can improve your intuitions. You see, many times you just remember somebody and you see, and you remember somebody, you get a call from them. So these are all intuitive powers. With practice of day-by-day yoga, music and yoga, one demand they have. They both require practice. It is not a 1 hour job that you complete in 1 hour. It is okay, 1 hour exercise we did and we did yoga. It's a lifestyle. Try to adapt, like you have adopted music as a lifestyle. wherever you go, anybody can recognize you that, yes, you are a music lover. The same way, everyone will recognize you that, yes, you are a yoga lover. Ruby is going to say that you're not given me any time. Sorry.
Heartily welcome to everyone. I'm feeling very glad to be a part of this Ragatala program again. It's good opportunity for me, for both, to do work, all you gurus and musicians. So, see you tomorrow morning. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Try to be on time. Morning, we have fixed the time and yes.
Thank you so much, Ravi ji and Rachna ji. I really like that sitar metaphor because if anybody knows me, they know that I love the sitar. I learned the sitar myself. So my instrument of choice is the sitar. And I agree that if you don't tune the sitar correctly, if it's too loose, you can't produce music. If it's too tight, you can't produce music. But if the sitar is tuned correctly in the right manner, then what will happen is you'll produce beautiful music. That kind of music that touches your soul and can take you to many wonderful places in your thoughts and your feelings. So what I'd like to do now is, before we start our performance section, I would like to introduce you to Vanessa Ji, who's been a big supporter of Raga Tala Retreat, who has come to us from France. Vanessa Ji, if you'd like to come and say a few words, because she's been with us now for the 3rd retreat. Please, Vanessa Ji.
Thank you, Tina. Thank you, Tina G. Thank you, Imran G, for bringing me here again. And I'm not alone. I've come with my group of friends, and I'm honored and privileged to be here in this wonderful place to enjoy these exquisite moments with you all. So now I'm going to speak French because among us there are a few French people who probably haven't understood much of what has been said this evening. And so my apologies to those of you who don't speak French. Donc je profite de cette opportunité, de ce micro pour souhaiter la bienvenue à tous mes amis français qui sont là et aussi mes futurs amis, ceux que je ne connais pas encore. Je soutiens le Ragatala depuis maintenant 3 ans, en essayant de faire connaître cet événement exceptionnel, magique, au plus de personnes possible. Et je me réjouis de passer ces 7 journées avec vous tous, et comme disait Rajaji, dans l'harmonie, parce que je crois que c'est vraiment l'harmonie que nous pouvons ressentir ici, entre le corps, l'âme et l'esprit. Le corps, grâce à nos cours de yoga qui commenceront demain matin pour toute la semaine à 8h30 jusqu'à 9h30. Donc rendez-vous ici sur la pelouse, tout sera prêt pour vous accueillir. Et puis, bien sûr, l'esprit, parce que toutes ces rencontres, toutes ces personnes qui viennent d'origines différentes, avec lesquelles nous pouvons nous mélanger en toute convivialité. Et puis aussi l'âme, bien sûr, parce que je crois que le raga est le parfum de l'âme. J'ai entendu dire ça un jour et j'ai trouvé ça magnifique. Le raga, tous ces rythmes, tous ces sons, ces enchaînements, la danse, le chant, la tradition, le folklore, la modernité aussi, et toutes ces choses qui vont à la fois nous enchanter, nous stimuler, nous amener voyager vers d'horizons plus vastes que ceux que nous pouvons connaître au quotidien. Et ces moments d'exception, ces moments de magie, de beauté pure, je suis vraiment heureuse de les partager avec vous, et je suis vraiment heureuse aussi de soutenir Imran Ji et Tina Ji et Creative Karma dans leur effort pour faire connaître toutes ces choses aux étrangers que nous sommes. Et j'espère que nous aurons conscience, mais je sais que nous l'aurons, du privilège que nous avons d'être ici et l'honneur que nous accordent ces personnes merveilleuses qui sont dans la générosité, dans le partage et dans l'échange. Voilà, merci à tous.
Thank you very much, Vanessa ji. I know a little bit of French. I trust her with everything she said, even though I don't understand most of it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the fact that you've been so supportive and been with us all these years and actually not only brought people, but also enjoyed the retreat yourself. Thank you so much. So now we're going to commence with the first performance of this evening. And the first performance will be a sitar performance by our very own Imran ji of Creative Karma, who is also the mentor for instrumental music. So I will hand over to Imran ji. Please, a big round of applause for Imran Khan. Performs sitar, is the 9th generation sitarist from the Sikar Gharana, which is a tradition of music which hails from Sikar. The family is now in Jodhpur and Mumbai. Imran ji is not only a wonderful sitar player, he's a composer. He leads workshops in music. He collaborates with many international artists. He's traveled the world over the last so many years, taking his music with him. He has many albums that he has recorded of classical music, world music, fusion music, and folk music. And one of his, it's clear that one of his biggest focus is to take his music around the world and to bring people to his music here at Fort Chanwa. So what I'd like to do is, again, warmly welcome Imran Khan to our stage for Ragatala Retreat. Take it away, Imran ji.
Thank you so much, Tina ji, and good evening, bonasera, namaste, salam, adab, and Khamagani. Khamagani is a like a ciao in Italy or hello in English or in different languages. It's from the Marwar, from this region of Rajasthan. So thank you for being here and thank you for joining us for this dream I have seen few years ago, and by blessings of everyone and support and love, we every day living it to make it like a reality, which is happening from last 5 years. So this is the 5th edition, and thank you so much for everyone who have participated, and especially our gurus. My sister Sunanda Sharma ji, she is always there since beginning, and she always just, I have to tell her the dates and she don't ask any questions. Okay, I block my dates, I'm coming. And my another sister Sinjini was here from last 3 years. Yes, although she gonna teach you guys some traditional Kathak dance of India, classic dance of India. And this year we have Sunny Singh, who gonna do some Bollywood and cinematographic dance. So also I'm very thankful to the Fort Chanwa. This is the 3rd year we bring this, 4th year actually, sorry. 4th year we have been here and collaborating and doing it. And whoever comes here, we get really good reviews, and people told us that this is the place to do the retreat. So I'm very thankful that Rajkumar Sahib Veer Vikramji is here, sitting in backside. Thank you so much for all your love and support. So I'm gonna start the evening with Rag Bhin Saraj, or you can also say Kaushik Dhani. This is the 2 name of this raga. Probably it's north and south. So Bhin Saraj come from the Carnatic style, like South Indian classical, and the Kaushik Dhani is from north, if I'm not wrong. Because you can announce both, I'm playing Kaushik Dhani, or you can also say I'm playing Bhin Saraj. So, my father sitting here, my guru, and so ijazat hai aapse. And whatever I have learned from the family and from my grandfather, uncle, my father. So this is the Gharana system. We have the School of Music system in India, which is there was in olden times there was no like music schools or universities where you can go, but these gharanas, which is like a school of music, has been built by the maestros, the legendary musicians, to name it according to, and it's also because of the lot of the Maharajas and the Nawabs and the kings have patronized it. So because of that, they have supported, and on the name of the kingdom, this gharana has been kept because in generally whoever establishing a gharana, they get a support and the patronization from the king of that. So that's how it works. We'll talk more about it in our classes. And then I'm very happy that auntie, mother of Shinjini ji, Anita Kulkarni ji is here. आपसे भी बड़ी इजाज़त चाहता हूँ. She is the daughter of legendary, the most iconic Kathak legend of our country, Pandit Birju Maharaj ji. And I'm very happy that she came after we were trying to bring her for 2 years. So, इजाज़त आपसे भी. Raag Bhinu Saraj. And we have Naim Khan with me on tabla, my brother-in-law. Thank you. Naim Khan on tabla.
Namaskar. So happy to see you all here for this Ragatala Retreat 2020. This is just an introduction. Imran Bhai has explained about Ragatala Retreat and all the courses. I will be here sharing my vocal music of Banaras Gharana style. Remembering my Guru Ma, Padma Vibhushan, Srimati Girja Devi ji, and my father, I would like to add one more name. I am really connected with this Ragatala retreat. The reason is Ustad, legendary Ustad, Sultan Khan Sahab. I got his blessings when I was very young and I was performing. And when Imran Bhai started this and he invited me to be here, I felt like a call from the family. And his younger brother, Khan Sahab, he's sitting here. I seek your blessings. Anita Kulkarni ji, Didi, I seek your blessings and love. All music lovers, art lovers who have come from distant places, you have great love for music, that's why you are here. You have great love for India and Indian heritage, Indian traditions. So I want to express my love and best wishes to you all for this. For the introduction, I would be singing one or two compositions, very small ones. So I have decided to sing a rag. The name of the rag is Rag Bhim Palasi. This is one of the rare rags of Indian classical music. And this is evening raga. The lyrics are, in vocal music, lyrics are very, very important. Sade man bhavadiyan, dil bar yaar, sajjan diyan ramza. So the Naika, the heroine, she is saying that my love, my hero, my Krishna, whatever he does, I love that. And there is a festival called Trinjana in Punjab. She says that in all the festivals, when the girls are dancing, sometimes they are singing, sometimes they are dancing, sometimes they are remembering or crying in happiness and bliss, in the remembrance of her lover. So this is a composition based on love, Rag Bhim Palasi, a small composition with a very few improvisations, and I will like to conclude with a semi-classical piece. So Rag Bhim Palasi. I'm very happy to have Naim Bhai with me on tabla. Little alarm before I start the composition. A little more Tanpura for me in the monitors, please. No echo, please. Please make it plain and little reverb. Less voice and monitors, please. It's too much for me. सामने ठीक है? Please lessen monitors. It's too loud. साडे मन भाव दिया, साडे मन भाव दिया, साडे मन भाव दिया, साडे मन भाव। मॉनिटर में बंद करवा दीजिए। साडे मन भाव दिया, साडे मन भाव दिया, दिलबर यार सजना दिया रमसा। साडे मन भाव दिया, साडे मन भाव दिया, मन भाव दिया, साडे मन भाव। साडे मन भाव, मन भाव दिया, मन भाव दिल बर यार साडे मन भाव दिया दिल बर साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन भाव दिल बर साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन भाव दिया दिल बर यार सजना दिया रमजा हे साडे मन भाव पम पम गम पम गम पम गरे सा साडे मन पम गम पम गम ग पम गम गरे सा साडे मन भा सरे पनि सा गम पम गम नि नि ध पम गरे सा नि सा साडे मन नि 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 ध ब ध ध ध पम प प प म ग गरे सा नि सा गम पम गम ब सा नि सा म गरे सा नि सा सा नि ध पम गरे सा साडे मन भाव दिया पम गम गरे सा नि सा गम पम गरे सा नि ध पम प गम प नि सा सा नि प नि सा गम प पम गम गरे सा साडे मन भाव गम प गम प गम प गम प गम प गम गरे सा नि सा गम प पम गम प नि नि ध प ध पम प गम गरे सा साडे मन भाव साडे मन भावे साडे मन भाव दिया दिल बर साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन भाव साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन भाव दिया साडे मन Just a composition of semi-classical. Savariya Pyara Re Mori Guiya. In semi-classical, we improvise with the bowls. I will just give little introduction. मोरी गुइया सावरिया प्यारा रे 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 मोरी गुइया वो तो ठाड़ कदम की छैया वो तो ठाड़ कदम की छैया धूप का मारा रे मोरी गुइया संवरिया धूप का मारा रे मोरी गुइया संवरिया प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया सांवरिया 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 सांवरिया प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया 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 ये सांवरिया प्यारा 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 रे मोरी प्यारा रे मोरी प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया सांवरिया प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया सांवरिया प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया सांवरिया प्यारा रे मोरी प्यारा रे मोरी प्यारा रे मोरी गुइया थैंक यू
Namaskar. Hello, everyone. A very, very happy new year to all of you. And this is the third time that Imran Bhai has brought me to Jodhpur via Ragatala retreat. And it's always such a joy to start your year in the company of art lovers, such learned artists, and in general, the atmosphere of music. I hail from the Lucknow Gharana, which is the Kalka Bindadeen lineage of Kathak dance, and I represent the 9th generation of it. I have learned from my grandfather, Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaji, and the style that he has taught us is very specific for the kind of grace that it carries. Unlike the South Indian dance forms, Kathak is the only North Indian classical dance form, and it involves a lot of fluidity, a lot of cursive movements and grace. So I hope that that element comes through when I show you a small demo. The first piece that I performed today, if time permits, I'll do two, otherwise one. The first piece that I performed today is called Tal Varna. Tal being rhythm cycle and Varna meaning description. So there shall be 3 rhythm cycles that I shall be performing to. First being 10 beats, jhaptal. The second being 14 beats, dhamar. And the third being 16 beats, teen tal sola matra, which is considered the king of all rhythm cycles. So the compositions that you shall be seeing will be set to first 10 beats, then 14 beats and 16 beats. And every time before I start that rhythm cycle, there shall be a short description of the kind of character that each rhythm cycle holds. Just like every raga has a mood, every rhythm cycle is also considered to have a mood. So Jhaptal, the first 10 beat cycle, is considered to be very lively, very chirpy. The second dhamar being a very vigorous, very dominating kind of a tal. And 16 beats, sola matra, is considered to be all encompassing, the one that has all colors, all expressions within it, and that's why it's considered the king of tals. So presenting before you Tal Varna, it's a composition by my uncle Pandit Jaikishan Maharaji, and I'm attempting it for the first time. So because Kathak is performed to live music, which you might see on the last day of how it is presented, but in track format, there are chances of a couple of slip-ups, so I apologize in advance for any mistakes. Ijazat Didi. Uncle, ji, pranam. Sorry about the soundtrack a little bit. I think something went off towards the end. Uh, I'm requesting for 2 to 3 more minutes before I move on, and I vacate the stage for Sunny Ji. A Thumri, which is primarily based on expressions and emotions that you show and depict via your face mostly and less of hand movements. A Thumri that has been written by my great-great-grandfather, Binadin Maharaji, which is set to Rag Bhairavi, with which we usually finish any performance. It's considered one of those ragas with which you finish a recital. The heroine in this says, Jage ho kahin rain, you have stayed up the night somewhere. Are hare, I'm sure of that. Alisani naina ratna re, she's talking to her beloved and accusing him. Your eyes are all red. Alisani naina ratna re, chal latpati, you walk, you cannot walk straight. Ai ho to bhor, you have come back after sunrise. Surely you were with some other lady all night. Jagi ho kahin rain. Malin gath nakh lagi hai kapolan pe. Your clothes are all crumpled and you have nail marks on your cheeks. Dasan daad छिपाए binda kahe na manu. You are trying to hide many marks on your body. Whatever you say today, I shall not agree. Jagi ho kahin rain. Arihare. One small abhinaya piece with which I'll end. The track that you need to play is Jage Ho Kahin Rain.
जागे हो कहीं जागे हो कहीं हरे हो जागे हो कहीं हरे हो जागे हो कहीं मेरे जागे हो जागे हो कहीं अरे हो जागे हो कहीं रत्न रे अलसाने नैना रत्न रे चार लटपटी आई हो तो जागे हो कहीं अरे जागे हो कहीं रे जागे हो कहीं रहना जागे हो कहीं रहना जागे हो कहीं रहना अरे जागे हो कहीं रहना मलिन गात नख लागे कपूरन पे मलिन गात नख लागे है कपूरन पे मलिन गात नख लागे है कपूरन पे दसन दागी छिपाए बिंदा कहीं न मनो बिंदा कहीं न मनो बिंदा कहीं न मनो बिंद कहे न मानो कहे कर लो जागे हो कहीं जागे हो कहीं जागे हो कहीं अरे हाँ जागे हो कहीं अरे जागे हो कहीं जागे हो कहीं जागे हो कहीं अरे जागे हो कहीं जागे हो कहीं जागे हो कहीं
I would like to introduce to you our Bollywood guru, our teacher, Sunny Singh, who is joining us for the first time at Ragatala Retreat. Actually, Sunny is from Mumbai and is now working abroad. He's working across Europe, based in Spain. He's working in South America, the world over basically. And he's taking Bollywood dance everywhere with him. He's training everybody in the style, the nuances, the beats of this popular dance form which has taken the world by storm. But one thing he maintains is that at its heart, Bollywood is purely Indian. And you will find all of the Indian expressions and feelings within the style of dance he does, whether it's in the characterization, the hand movements, or the beats within the music. So here I'd like to present to you Sunny Singh.
विमर्दनः विपिनरां सदृशो बलवानयम् समनुजो हि नृसिंहवरस्तथा
Hello.
I love you.
रब की कवाली है इश्क कोई, दिल की दीवानी है इश्क कोई, महकी सी प्याली है इश्क कोई, सुबह की लाली है इश्क, गिरता सा झरना है इश्क कोई, उठता सा कलमा है इश्क कोई, सांसों में लिपटा है इश्क कोई, आंखों में दिखता है इश्क।